Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we have our deep fried spare ribs, everybody. Just deep fried ribs. Look at this. We went on and took it out of the package, washed it off thoroughly, took the white part off the back of it, and we went on and cut them up individually, everybody. The most important thing is what you put on your pork ribs, everybody. We're using the same ingredients we use in our old school recipes for fried chicken, fried pork chops, and all that good old stuff. So go back and look at those tutorials. We also did a full video of this before, so we're doing a speed up version. Okay, we're putting our mustard over there. This is going to be our seal to make everything just stick to the ribs, everybody. With the seasoning, just stick to it so much better when we do this. Don't worry, it ain't gonna taste like mustard, but it's just a good, nice flavor, like a marinade, everybody, believe it or not. All right, so we're gonna use some Lawry's garlic salt. We're gonna use some garlic powder, and we're going to use some onion powder, and we're going to use some Lawry's seasoning salt as well. And don't forget the pepper. We're going to put pepper on after this. So we're going to rub it on in, all those good old seasonings, and make sure everything is touched perfectly. This is how we do it here at Mama Soul Kitchen and Cooking with Granny. Okay, now here, see, then we put the pepper on there. Everything's all nicely done. You can see the full video again on our YouTube channel, everybody. Just look up Mama Soul Kitchen, MOMMA Soul Kitchen, under deep fried ribs, everybody. Okay, now what we're gonna do is put it in some all-purpose flour in the old-fashioned way in the bag and shake it on up, everybody. This is how we do our chicken and pork chops the old school way. Shake it up in the bag. It used to be a paper bag, but now we use some plastics. That's fine, just as fine. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and shake it up. Make sure it's floured thoroughly throughout your pork ribs. Okay, you see the hot oil ready to go. It's just vegetable oil, everybody. Heat it up, and we're gonna go ahead and put our slices in carefully. We will not sped this up, okay, everybody? So I'm just letting you know that you put it in slowly and make sure the grease don't pop, okay? Now, what we do is let it cook for about 10 minutes on one side. Then we want to flip it over and do it for another 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that everything is perfect, everybody. So it's about a total of, honestly, about 20 minutes. You can tell when your fork goes into the pork really nice and slow and perfectly. And it's just so wonderful. It's a flavor that you'll never forget. Now, we're going to make sure that you see it in slow motion. Here we go. There you go, everybody. You ain't got to do no barbecue spare ribs. We can do some fried spare ribs right here on Mama Soul Kitchen. So follow us on YouTube for a lot more. We'll see you guys soon.